Take your woodworking game to the next level with the JP 20-inch planer, a powerhouse that flattens massive slabs with incredible precision. Built for serious woodworkers, this beast can handle thick, wide boards like a champ. Its rugged construction ensures long-term durability, even in the toughest shop environments. With a robust motor, it tears through hardwoods effortlessly while leaving a silky smooth finish. The adjustable depth settings let you customize each pass with pinpoint accuracy. Its heavy-duty rollers feed material steadily without snipe. Designed for professional use, it keeps performance consistent all day long. Whether you're crafting tables or live-edge countertops, it's a must-have. This tool is all about precision, power, and perfection. The Scheppach 15T log splitter delivers raw splitting power in a compact frame, perfect for home or semi-pro use. With 15 tons of force, it breaks down even the gnarliest logs like butter. It features a massive 1-meter capacity, handling longer wood sections effortlessly. The horizontal design provides stability and safety while working. Its heavy-duty build stands up to long sessions in the yard or forest. Hydraulic operation ensures smooth, reliable performance with minimal effort, ideal for firewood prep in all seasons. Easy to transport and simple to use, even for beginners. This splitter is a true wood warrior for your tool arsenal. Quickly track down elusive automotive leaks with the Sealey Leak Detector Smoke Diagnostic tool. This gadget pumps out visible smoke to highlight vacuum, intake, or exhaust leaks instantly. It's a game changer for diagnosing evap systems, hoses, and gaskets. Compact yet powerful, it's a must for mechanics who value precision and speed. Comes with a pressure gauge and adjustable flow for full control. Compatible with various adapters for different vehicle types. Cuts down troubleshooting time dramatically in the garage. Safe, easy, and incredibly effective at isolating problems. This is your secret weapon for professional-grade vehicle diagnostics. The SlabMatrix Pro is a next-level planing system for flattening massive wood slabs with surgical precision. Built for large-scale woodworkers and slab artists, it brings CNC-level control to your hands. Compatible with a variety of routers, it glides smoothly over rails for a clean, level surface. Heavy-duty aluminum construction offers durability without bulk. It eliminates cupping, warping, and irregular thickness across large boards. Setup is fast, and results are repeatable every time. Perfect for custom tabletops, mantles, and countertops. Bring your slab vision to life with flawless flatness. The SlabMatrix Pro is where rugged meets refined. Say goodbye to bulky cross wrenches with the Powerbuilt Billy Club Gen 3, a compact lug tool with serious torque. This genius tool features a telescoping handle that extends for extra leverage. Its universal sockets fit a wide range of lug nut sizes with ease. Strong chrome vanadium steel construction ensures lasting strength under pressure. Stores compactly in any trunk while still packing power when you need it most. Comes with a built-in hammer function for tapping stuck nuts. It's the ideal companion for roadside tire changes or garage maintenance. Smooth operation with minimal strain on your wrists. The Billy Club Gen 3 is a true multitasking beast. Secure heavy-duty bands with unmatched tension using the Bandit T30069 center punch tool. Designed for industrial clamping, it delivers powerful, consistent center punches with every use. It's built for use with heavy stainless steel bands in harsh environments. Perfect for securing hoses, pipes, and ducts in marine, automotive, and industrial setups. The ergonomic handle provides strong grip and precision control during clamping. Rugged alloy construction makes it durable for long-term field use. Compact and portable, great for both shop and on-site applications. Delivers a tight, clean punch every time without fail. When you need a banding solution that won't budge, this is it. The Jouanel SB1E is a battery-powered marvel that delivers mobile swaging and beading like no other. Perfect for HVAC pros and sheet metal workers, it offers unmatched portability without sacrificing performance. With adjustable speed and torque, it handles a wide variety of profiles and thicknesses. Its cordless design means freedom to work on site or off-grid. Built from rugged materials, it's engineered for long-lasting use in demanding environments. The intuitive control system makes it easy for both new and experienced users. It's lightweight, balanced, and easy to maneuver around tricky angles. Boost productivity and precision in ductwork fabrication. When mobility meets power, this tool stands out. The Hilti NPR 2422 Pipe Press Tool is your compact cordless solution for fast and reliable press connections. Designed for plumbers and fitters, it offers high-performance pressing on a range of metal and plastic pipes. With a slim profile and ergonomic handle, It's perfect for tight or overhead spaces. The 22V battery ensures plenty of runtime and power in the field. Intelligent sensors provide precise, secure press cycles every time, compatible with multiple jaw sets for added versatility. LED indicators keep you informed of status and safety. Durable enough for daily use in rough job site conditions. Press with confidence and speed like never before. Move water fast with the Flextool FP212G, a powerful submersible pump built for high-volume drainage. It's capable of shifting an impressive 63,000 liters per hour, ideal for construction sites and flood cleanup. Built with a rugged housing and stainless steel shaft, it withstands tough environments. Designed for continuous operation, it performs even in dirty water with debris. A compact and lightweight build makes it easy to deploy quickly. The integrated strainer prevents clogging and reduces downtime. Ideal for contractors, farmers, or emergency responders. Plug it in and watch the water disappear like magic. Power, performance, and portability in one pump. Conquer dust and debris with the Huai VCA38, a high-capacity industrial vacuum designed for job site cleanup. Featuring a powerful motor and large tank, it sucks up fine dust, concrete, and debris with ease. Built tough for daily use in tile work, construction, and workshops. Comes with HEPA filtration to trap harmful particles and improve air quality. Its rugged wheels and handles make transport across rough terrain simple. Includes multiple nozzles and accessories for versatile cleaning. Wet and dry capabilities add to its versatility. Easy to empty and maintain for continuous workflow. This vacuum doesn't mess around, just clean power. The Ox Tools Rodless Caulk Gun is a sleek, efficient way to dispense sealant with zero rod in sight. Its compact design lets you work in tight corners and edges with ease. The enclosed mechanism keeps everything clean and prevents drips. Built to handle thick adhesives and sealants without jamming, the smooth trigger action provides consistent flow for precision applications, ideal for window frames, gaps, and tiling work. Lightweight yet strong with a comfortable grip for all-day use. Delivers professional results with every squeeze. Say goodbye to messy rods and hello to streamlined caulking. Handling big tiles is a breeze with the Risey CarryX, designed to transport large format tiles safely and easily. The aluminum rail system supports heavy slabs while keeping them steady, equipped with multiple suction cups for strong, secure gripping without damage. Adjustable length accommodates various tile sizes, perfect for lifting, placing, and aligning tiles during installation. Reduces the risk of cracks, drops, and fatigue. Built for professionals handling porcelain, glass, or ceramic slabs. Makes your workflow smoother, faster, and safer. It's the strong arm you need for precision tiling jobs. Smash through concrete and brick like a pro with the Tolson 1600W demolition hammer. With its 1600-watt motor and high-impact force, it's built for serious demolition work, ideal for removing tiles, breaking concrete, or heavy-duty renovation. Vibration-reducing handle offers better control and user comfort. Comes with essential accessories to get started right out of the box. Durable body and components stand up to tough job site abuse. Offers precision where needed and brute force when required. Great for both pros and hardcore DIYers. When demolition calls, this beast answers loud and clear. Tackle electronics, phones, watches, and more with the Tolson 17-piece precision repair tool set. Each tool is crafted for delicate repairs where accuracy is key. Includes precision screwdrivers, prying tools, tweezers, and a suction cup. Ideal for technicians, hobbyists, and gadget lovers. Packaged in a compact case to stay organized on the go. Anti-slip grips and magnetic tips improve control and handling. Perfect for working on circuit boards, lenses, or small appliances. High-quality steel ensures long-lasting reliability. This kit is small in size but big on precision. Make fast, clean cuts on large tiles with the Huai TCF700, engineered for heavy-duty scoring and snapping. Perfect for porcelain and ceramic tiles up to 700 millimeters wide. Features a wide aluminum base and laser guide for ultimate accuracy. Rubber pads hold tiles steady and prevent scratches. Dual rail system provides smooth glide and perfect alignment. Requires no electricity. Ideal for any job site. Lightweight yet strong, designed for quick setup and transport. Delivers pro-grade results with minimal effort. For flawless cuts every time, this is your go-to cutter. The Abaco APL20 is your go-to lifter for handling heavy porcelain slabs with confidence and ease. Designed specifically for delicate yet dense materials, It ensures secure lifting without surface damage. The adjustable clamp fits various thicknesses and shapes. Its high-friction gripping pads provide excellent hold during vertical or horizontal lifting. Built tough for construction sites and tile workshops, requires no power. Pure mechanical grip and go. Lightweight yet rugged enough for demanding jobs. Boosts safety while reducing the manpower needed. When precision meets power, this lifter delivers. The DCK angle grinder is built for power, precision, and durability, making it a must-have for metalwork, grinding, and cutting tasks. Its high-speed motor rips through steel, tile, and stone with ease. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue during extended use. Features a protective guard for added safety and a side handle for better control. Compact enough for tight corners, yet tough enough for industrial use. Quick change disc system saves time on the job. Ideal for welders, builders, and renovation pros. Delivers clean results with minimal effort. This grinder means serious business. The Wolfcraft 45 9000 Spatula box keeps your trowels and spatulas perfectly organized and ready to go. Designed with multiple slots and protective inserts, it ensures blades stay sharp and undamaged. Ideal for plasterers, tilers, or painters on the move. Compact, durable, and crafted from high-impact plastic. It's easy to carry, easy to clean, and fits neatly into your toolbox or vehicle. Prevents messes and misplaced tools during transport. A must-have for professionals who value order and efficiency. Simplifies prep and pack up at every site. Organization has never looked this rugged. Power your presses wirelessly with the Hilti 10K22 cordless hydraulic pump. Built for pipe pressing and crimping tasks, this 22V beast eliminates the need for external power. Its compact and cordless design brings maximum flexibility to tight, awkward spaces. Capable of up to 10,000 psi, it's ready for heavy-duty jobs. Smart controls and safety features ensure precise pressure every time. Ideal for plumbing, HVAC, and industrial pipework. The high-efficiency pump reduces job times and operator fatigue. Durable enough for rough job site use. Mobile power like you've never experienced before. Slice through rebar like butter with the Hilti NRC 6-22 cordless rebar cutter. Built for on-the-go cutting power, it cleanly cuts up to number 6 rebar without sparks or noise. Ideal for confined or indoor job sites. Ergonomic design minimizes strain, while its powerful 22V battery keeps you running long and strong. Safety is top tier with guarded blades and two-hand activation. Delivers fast, clean cuts without compromising precision. Replace cumbersome saws and grinders with this compact powerhouse. Perfect for concrete and structural work. When rebar resists, Hilti cuts through. The Runpotec XB300 is an all-in-one solution for cable handling, unwinding, and organizing. Featuring a multi-function mandrel, it easily holds drums, spools, or rings. Designed for smooth, tangle-free cable feeding even in tight spaces. Compact and rugged. Perfect for electrical installs and data cabling. Reduces strain and speeds up deployment. Lightweight enough for single-person operation. Integrated braking system prevents overrun. Fits a variety of cable sizes for maximum flexibility. Keep your cables flowing cleanly with this game-changing roller. The Brute Power Clamp from Jackman brings controlled, consistent pressure to socket fusion pipe welding. Designed for PE and PP pipe, it ensures strong, reliable welds every time. The powered clamping mechanism reduces operator fatigue and speeds up your workflow. Its compact, rugged frame fits well into tight job site spaces. Offers adjustable force and rotation for different pipe sizes. Built-in heating indicators help maintain fusion quality. Ideal for gas, water, and industrial piping. Built to meet demanding field conditions. Strong welds start with strong clamps, and this one's a beast. Seal your building projects in style with GripRite Pro Wrap, a self-adhering house wrap that simplifies weatherproofing. It's designed to provide long-lasting moisture, air, and wind resistance. The peel and stick backing eliminates the need for fasteners or tapes. Sticks tightly to sheathing, even in extreme weather conditions. Helps improve energy efficiency by sealing drafts and leaks. Fast installation saves time and labor. Strong, tear-resistant material stands up to job site wear and tear. Perfect for pro contractors or home builders. Secure, seal, and shield your structures with confidence. The Proxen Micromont rotary tool is your precision partner for sanding, carving, grinding, and engraving. With a high torque motor and variable speed control, it handles delicate tasks with total accuracy. Ideal for model makers, jewelers, or tech repair. Lightweight and slim for total control in your hand. Works with a wide range of accessories and bits. The quality German engineering ensures smooth, quiet operation. Built for durability and intricate craftsmanship. Great for wood, plastic, metal, and more. It's not just small, it's powerful in the tiniest details. The Strainrite F3020 Pro Crimp is a battery-powered crimping beast designed for fencing, wire rope, and tensioning jobs. It delivers high-force crimps effortlessly, boosting speed and consistency in the field. Compact, cordless, and easy to maneuver in tight spots. Perfect for rural, agricultural, or utility work where durability matters. Quick change dies make switching tasks seamless. Built tough to handle weather, dirt, and rough handling. Eliminates fatigue from manual crimping tools. A true time saver when every second counts. This is crimping, upgraded for professionals. The Easy Speedy XL is your ultimate tool for pushing long lengths of cable effortlessly through conduit. Built for telecom and electrical pros, it transforms tough installs into a one-person job. Compact yet powerful. It handles large cable bundles with minimal friction, reduces physical strain, and increases safety. Compatible with multiple conduit types and sizes. Features smooth rollers for consistent speed. Cuts labor time drastically while improving precision. Designed to excel on job sites with long pulls. Cable installations just got smarter and faster. Scheppach Pure Spray is a game-changing marking system for professionals who need clean, precise, and long-lasting results. The spray delivers ultra-fine lines for maximum accuracy, ideal for construction, landscaping, and utility work. Comes in a range of high-visibility colors that resist weathering and fading. The ergonomic trigger minimizes overspray and hand fatigue. Works on concrete, asphalt, gravel, and soil. Dries quickly with excellent adhesion. Eco-friendly formula with low VOCs. This isn't just paint. It's professional-grade precision in a can. The McElroy Polyporter is your portable pipe handling solution, designed for easy lifting, aligning, and loading of large-diameter HDPE pipe. Think of it as a dolly meets clamp. Built for rugged job site performance. Reduces operator fatigue with mechanical leverage. Great for trench work, fusion prep, or pipe staging. One-person operation boosts productivity significantly. Lightweight yet tough enough for 8-pipe. Saves your back and your schedule. Built for fusion professionals who move pipe all day. Get more done with less effort. The Spinisi Flash is a next-gen paint curing system designed for speed, precision, and professional finishes. Using infrared technology, it drastically cuts curing times without compromising quality. Perfect for auto body shops and detailing businesses. Adjustable arms and lamps target heat exactly where needed. Intuitive controls and timers simplify use. Improves workflow and reduces vehicle turnaround time. Durable and easy to maneuver across bays. Compatible with most paint types and finishes. Take your paint curing to the next level. The Evolution S210CCS is a cold-cutting circular saw made to slice through steel with surgical precision. Its 210mm carbide-tipped blade leaves burr-free edges without heat or sparks. Delivers smooth, accurate cuts every time. Perfect for fabricators, metalworkers, and site pros. Integrated laser guide and depth adjustment for pinpoint control. Ergonomic grip and lightweight body reduce fatigue. Built-in chip collection keeps your workspace cleaner, faster, safer, and way cleaner than an angle grinder. The go-to saw for cutting clean through metal. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.